Brittany. I am here in my bathroom getting ready to do a little cleaning with my EnviroCloth because this EnviroCloth is good for any room in the house. This is our graphite color, but we also have 5 colors available. What is so special about our EnviroCloth is that it's actually made with a dense microfiber that is 1/200th of a strand of hair. Therefore, it has so much microfiber that if you were to unravel, it would be the length of Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. That leaves so much microfiber to grab all of the gunk and the goo off of your countertops and your mirrors. I'm going to partner this with our window cloth to polish my windows. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit about my mirrors so you get a better understanding as to how dirty this actually is. All right, let's get to it. Super easy, wet EnviroCloth. Start from the top. Streak side to side. Get those toothbrush splatters. Gets off hairspray too. All right, follow it up with your window cloth. This is what's really gonna make it streak free. Both of the EnviroCloth and the window cloth are made with our backlock technology. That backlock technology is actually a micro silver that's embedded within the microfiber to enable the bacteria to grow. So you won't have any stinky rags. You can actually rub them up against each other and air dry them for 24 hours and they are self-purified and ready to reuse. So let's take a look at my clean mirror. Clean, streak-free mirror. You guys, I'm gonna use the same cloths to polish and clean my sink and faucet. So faucets, and then normal wear and tear, my bathroom sink and counters. Let's go ahead and handle that. I'm also gonna go ahead and get my Q-tip and cotton ball holders too. Clean sink and my containers here. I even got my light switch. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I'll clean my bathroom. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, shop my website. Thank you.